What if I told you that for around $60,000, Toyota has built an SUV with 326 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque, full-time four-wheel drive, locking front, actually center and rear differentials, hybrid efficiency, and enough off-road capability to embarrass SUVs costing twice as much? This is the all-new 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser, and it might just be America's smartest luxury adventure SUV. The moment you see the 2027 Land Cruiser, you know Toyota wasn't chasing flashy styling. Instead, it focused on something much more important: timeless design. From the front, the Land Cruiser looks bold, upright, and instantly recognizable. The squared-off body, muscular hood, and signature Toyota grille give it a strong presence without trying too hard. Modern LED headlights blend perfectly with the retro-inspired design, creating an SUV that feels both classic and completely new. Walk around to the side and the proportions are exactly what American SUV buyers love. It rides on a rugged body-on-frame platform with a wide stance, large wheel arches, and high ground clearance that immediately signal real off-road capability. The short overhangs improve approach and departure angles, while the factory all-terrain tires and rugged skid protection remind you that this isn't just another luxury family SUV. Around the back, Toyota keeps things clean and functional. The vertical LED taillights, simple tailgate, and tough rear bumper reinforce the Land Cruiser's no-nonsense personality. Nothing feels fake or over-designed. For 2027, Toyota has expanded the Land Cruiser's color lineup with several premium factory finishes, including the brand new inked color. But if you're after the cleanest and most luxurious look, it's hard to ignore Wind Chill Pearl. Its deep pearl finish gives the Land Cruiser a premium presence that really stands out in daylight. Of course, Toyota also offers several other factory colors, so whether you prefer a rugged adventure look or a more upscale appearance, there's a Land Cruiser to match your style. But the biggest story isn't the styling, it's what's hiding underneath. Every 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser comes equipped with Toyota's 2.4-liter turbocharged iForce Max hybrid powertrain, producing 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission with standard full-time four-wheel drive, giving you confident performance both on the highway and far beyond the pavement. Toyota didn't stop there. The Land Cruiser also includes features serious off-road enthusiasts actually care about: locking center and rear differentials, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a factory towing capacity of up to 6,000 pounds. Whether you're towing a camper, exploring mountain trails, or driving through deep snow, this SUV is built to handle it without expensive aftermarket upgrades. Step inside the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser, and you'll quickly realize Toyota has found the perfect balance between rugged durability and premium comfort. The first thing you'll notice is the clean dashboard layout. Right in front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster, while the center of the cabin is dominated by Toyota's large infotainment touchscreen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, responds quickly, and feels much smoother than previous Toyota systems. Toyota has also improved comfort for 2027. The front seats remain supportive for long highway trips, while higher trims now offer heated and ventilated second-row seats, making this one of the most comfortable Land Cruisers Toyota has ever built. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and excellent build quality give the interior a refined feel without sacrificing toughness. Passenger space is another strong point. Both front and rear passengers have generous headroom and legroom, and the large cargo area easily handles luggage, camping gear, recovery equipment, or family road trip essentials. Fold the rear seats down, and there's even more space for larger items. Technology doesn't stop at the touchscreen. Multiple USB-C charging ports, a wireless charging pad, premium audio, a multi-camera system, and Toyota's latest connected services make everyday driving far more convenient. Everything is laid out logically, so drivers can keep their attention on the road instead of searching through complicated menus. Safety is exactly what you'd expect from a modern Toyota. The 2027 Land Cruiser comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Whether you're commuting through the city or crossing multiple states on a road trip, these systems provide extra confidence behind the wheel. Let's talk pricing. The 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser is expected to start around $58,000 to $60,000, depending on trim level and optional equipment. When you consider the hybrid powertrain, standard full-time four-wheel drive, legendary Toyota reliability, and impressive off-road capability, it offers outstanding value compared to many luxury SUVs costing significantly more. Of course, the competition is serious. The Lexus GX delivers a more luxurious interior. The Land Rover Defender offers premium styling and impressive capability. The Ford Bronco is built for open-air adventure, while the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon remains an icon for hardcore rock crawling. But if you're looking for one SUV that combines proven reliability, hybrid performance, premium comfort, everyday practicality, and genuine off-road capability, all in one package, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser is one of the smartest choices you can make. Toyota didn't reinvent the Land Cruiser. Instead, it refined everything owners already loved while adding better technology, more comfort, improved efficiency, and meaningful upgrades for 2027. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Apex Motors, and turn on notifications because we're bringing you the latest 2026 and 2027 luxury SUVs, trucks, and performance vehicles every week.